Today we will be showing you how we made pizza during the going away and get together with good friends Yunjin and Ayumi. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe now and click the bell button to notify you for new videos. So let's get started. So if you haven't watched the video for the Hawaiian pizza, please don't forget to watch, and I also place the link in the description below or click on the info shown above. We had fun and made 2 pan pizzas, the pepperoni and Hawaiian. So please watch till the end as we enjoyed making this pizza. Basque burnt cheesecake was also served, and I'm glad they liked it. So check it out as well if you haven't watched it. It's one of my favorites, and please check the link in the description below. Okay, so make sure you have placed some flour in the pan. I'm using a 9-inch pizza pan. So spread it using your fingertips or with a roller and press the dough out to the edges of the pizza pan. Then spread the pizza sauce of your choice on top of the crust to about 3/4 inch off the edge. Top it with cheese, as I love lots of cheese on top of the dough. So I placed mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese together. And if you want to add some more, just go ahead and do it. No one's stopping you. We chose both pepperoni and Hawaiian for these 2 pan pizzas that we have prepared. Bake at 160 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. Ta-da! An easy homemade pan pizza wherein you can try both pepperoni and Hawaiian to complete the day.